So first things first, we have to create a new Nest app. So let's get the create Nest app command. So yeah, we copy this and go to our terminal. We create our new Nest app, Shadcn, or let's call it dark light app. All right. So our Next.js app is creating. I'm doing everything from scratch so that I can see the whole process. And we are using Tailwind CSS because that makes it very easy to switch from dark mode to light mode. This Tailwind CSS gives us CSS variables that makes things very easy. Okay, would you like to use TypeScript? Yes, even though we don't need it. No. Yes, yes, yes. No, no. There we go. So yeah, you need Tailwind. You need to, another thing you need to keep in mind is to use your Tailwind variables, the CSS variables that Tailwind provides. That will help your app to switch effortlessly from light mode to dark mode. I'm just talking so that we can keep time running while waiting for the installation. I guess we have to wait a little bit more. All right, we're good. So now we have our project opened up in our VS Code. This is our new Next.js project. Let's try to run it and see what's up. All right, so we have our project here. Let's open it up. We'll have the usual. All right, this is our new Next.js project that we just created. We're not going to really change anything on the home. We can still use this home that Next.js gives to us. But then we move to Shadcn. Just search Shadcn dark mode, and Shadcn documentation will walk us through the installation and all. So we'll go on Shadcn dark mode, and it asks you to select, we're using Next.js, so you select Next.js. First things first, you start by installing Nextjs. So let's copy this and install here. So we paste the command and installation is still going on. All right, so Nextjs is installed. Let's move on to the next step. The next step is to create a theme provider component. So let's go back to our app here. Let's create a folder, components, and inside it, let's have our theme provider.tsx. So here, push this down a bit. Here, we copy and paste this, all of this, and just paste it. We should actually start by installing Shadcn itself, but let's quickly go over that. Let's install Shadcn itself, Shadcn latest. All right, so let's go back to our dark mode and let's keep following the steps. So it says install Nextjs, we've done that. Create a theme provider, we've done that. And add the theme provider to your root layout. So let's come to our root layout file here. This is your root layout. Let's import the theme provider. Import theme provider from our components. So you wrap it around your children. Let's just grab this. Let me just copy and paste this. You wrap it around your children, replace it with your children here. So we have our theme provider wrapped around our children here. Okay. So the theme provider is set up in the root layout. And now let's move on to the next step. The next step is to create a mode toggle. So we are just going to create a toggle component. Let's go into our components and create another component. Let's call it, I think toggle is 2G, toggle.txl, and then just paste this in it. So you're going to get so many errors. We need Lucid, React, we need UI button, we need button drop down menu from, let's start by installing Lucid first. Lucid install. All right. So this is the installation for Lucid React. We have to, I don't know, whichever package management you're using. I'm using npm, so I'm copying the npm command. We've not completed our Shadcn installation. Sorry. Let's just do neutral. Let our Shadcn installation complete this peer dependency. That's running by for Shadcn. All right, Shadcn is installed now. And then let's install Lucid React. And the next thing we have to install is the button component from Shadcn and the drop-down menu from Shadcn. So we'll go to Shadcn here, and we'll go to our button component, and we'll go to the drop-down menu. Let's check our Lucid installation. So Lucid React is installed. For our button, this is the installation, npx Shadcn latest add button. Let's run that. And for our drop down, it should be around the same thing, npx Shadcn latest drop down menu. This is still installing. All right, then our drop down menu. All right, that is installing as well. All right, I guess we are all caught up with installation and all. So we have our toggle component. It has a drop down. Let's see how it looks like. Let's bring it into the root layout. Let's go into the root layout and import our mode toggle, and we just use it in our root component because we probably want it on every page, right? So let's go to our page and let's see if we have it there. All right, so we have it here on our page. You can see the drop down dark system. If I click on dark lights, our page switches to light mode, and if I go to dark, it goes back to dark mode. And if I choose system, because my system is in dark mode, it remains on dark mode. Let's try to do a little bit of editing for this toggle components. It's looking a little bit ugly. And where's the toggle? Where did I put it in? Oh, that's interesting. Oh, sorry. I created my what's a thing. Let me rearrange things around here. Let's bring this back into this component. Yeah. Let's take toggle into UI. Yes. Let's put sim provider into just component. Let's put it into UI too. And delete this component that is on the app. Yes. Move to trash, please. All right. All right. So we are back. So I want us to edit this toggle. It looks a bit ugly. Let me close this up. So let's remove the drop down. To be fair, I don't think the drop down is necessary. So I did an edit of the toggle component, just edited it just to change things around. I'm going to put the code in a source code on GitHub and put the link in the description box. So yeah, this should change now. So now we have the toggle button on this other side now, and it's no longer a drop down. I don't think having it as a drop down is, it's just light mode and dark mode. I don't think having system as an option is necessary. So when we toggle now, look at that, it goes to light mode, and you toggle back to dark mode, light mode, dark mode, light mode, dark mode, light mode, dark mode. So now we have this toggle button that helps user to switch things from dark mode to light mode or back to light mode. That's about that for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on notification. Don't forget to like, comment for more tech and coding content. See you in my next video. Bye.